Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Hi-Fi Rush crashing, not working, not launching on Windows PC. Method 1. Stay up to date. First of all, you need to ensure the following factors. Number 1. Always try to install the latest update of the system so that you can get the latest security patch, improved performance, bug fixes, additional features, and more. Number 2. Another thing you should do is update the graphics driver version on your PC. If there is an update available, make sure to install the same. An outdated GPU driver can cause several issues with the program launching, such as in games or even during gameplay sessions. Number 3. Install Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable latest supported. Please click the link in the description to access the Microsoft Visual C++ download page. Navigate to Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019 and 2022. Download them one by one. Wait until all files are downloaded on your PC. Install all packages you have downloaded by following the instructions. Once done, again restart the PC. At last, install DirectX Enduser Runtime. To do that, please click the link in the description. After that, click on Download button. Once the file is downloaded from the website, run the program and wait until the updated files are installed successfully. Reboot your computer and launch the Hi-Fi Rush game. You will not face the issue now. Method 2. Verify integrity of game files. For Steam users, go to Library, then right-click on Hi-Fi Rush from the list. Select Properties. Go to Local Files. Click on Verify integrity of game files. For Epic Games Launcher users, open the Epic Games Launcher. Click on Library. Click on the three dots icon next to Hi-Fi Rush. Select Manage. Click on Verify. This process may take some time to get completed. So, have some patience. Once done, make sure to reboot the PC to apply changes. Method 3. Temporarily disable or uninstall antivirus software. Antivirus and firewall software play an important role in computer security. However, these applications may prevent the game from running, installing, or patching correctly. Disable temporarily uninstalling your security software can help resolve these issues. If disable not working, then try uninstall. Method 4. Disable overlay apps. If you are using one of the software in the following list, try disabling them before launching the Hi-Fi Rush game. Discord, Xbox Game Bar, NVIDIA GeForce Experience, Steam Overlay, AMD Radeon Software, MSI Afterburner, RivaTuner, RGB Software, etc. Method 5. Disable full-screen optimizations. Navigate to the Hi-Fi Rush installed folder. Right-click on Hi-Fi Rush.x, then select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Ensure to click on Disable Full-Screen Optimizations to checkmark it. Once done, click on Apply and then OK to save changes. Finally, uninstall Graphics Driver Complete by using DDU software if the issue continues. Then go to your graphics card homepage and download and install the last version. That's it guys. Hope this is useful. Please check comments to update new methods. Thanks.